If you want longevity in this space, this is what you absolutely need to do. Like, listen, if you don't listen for your own good. So you just made your first crypto profit. It was amazing, right? But let me hit you with this hard truth. Most newbies will blow their money on stuff that gets them absolutely nowhere. Do you want to be different? Do you actually want to turn your small win into something big? So you should really stick around, because I'm going to reveal to you the smart way and the smart things to invest your money in this Web3 game, in this crypto farming game. Let's just be real now. We know that when cash out, when that money enters, sometimes you just want to spend big. Like, if you win big, you want to spend big. But you should really hold on, because if you really want to go ahead, if you want to be ahead in this Web3 game, you really need to think like a builder. Actually, come with me, let us dive into the smart investment you can make today as a crypto farmer that you are, as you farm crypto. First up, you want to upgrade your infrastructure, and I am talking your lights, your internet, especially those two, nothing else. Like, your light, your electricity, your power supply should at least afford you 10 to 15 hours minimum of uptime. You need to be up, your laptop needs to be running, your nodes needs to be running, needs to be connected, and you want to be on top of every new trend that pops up. So yeah, you need to have maximum uptime. That includes your light or your electricity, and your Wi-Fi, your network. There's always a major hindrance when your network is poor, or you don't even have a good data plan that can withstand your farming process of whatever project you are on. So yeah, you should put your money in those places, and at least invest in a way that you can afford the next 6 months as next 6 months of maximum uptime. This right now is something that should not be overlooked at all, especially if you want longevity in this space. This is what you absolutely need to do. Your on-chain identity is very, very important. Platforms like Gitcoin Passport, especially Gitcoin Passport, you want to complete as much tasks there to increase your passport level, your passport score need to be as high as possible, and that requires you to make some transactions there and there, mint some NFTs or whatever it will require. So I feel like you should allocate some of your allocation. It won't take much, but you should not overlook it. Anytime the Gitcoin passports they expire and you need to re-up with whatever new tax, so like always re-up. Always re-up. Keep your Gitcoin passports high as possible, because it opens like all the doors. Just like your passport now, to travel to different countries, you need your Gitcoin passport to be able to explore all these different protocols that are now it's going to give you an airdrop. Now, crypto farming is a skill, is a profession at this point, and every profession requires a unique set of tools. So what are the tools you need to dominate in this game? What are the tools you need to farm as much, maximize the most opportunities you can in this space? Well, no brainer, you need your laptop and you need phones. I said phone because you need multiple phones. It depends on how hard you want to go. So you need your laptops. You need devices that can run as multiple nodes. You need iPads if possible. You also need multiple SIMs, multiple emails. It's also advisable to invest in monitors to be able to fit a lot in one screen at the same time. That's another edge on its own. So you should really look into getting like something like a good setup. Sure, need a good setup that can work for you. Also, if you're a creator like myself, you want to invest in some good gear like streaming gear or mics or stuff like that. Depends on whatever you're doing. So crypto isn't just about numbers. It's not just about money or airdrops or whatever Telegram game your idolo is shilling for you. Crypto is also about your network, your community, and your people capital. Who do you know? Who are you interacting with? And at what level, what platforms you guys interact? You should invest in some of all these hackathons or in real life events, or these crypto in real life events. Go to them, make connections, make friends. And actually, you really want to be at where all these events are up. So if you're in some kind of states, like I don't know if much is happening in Bauchi and you're in crypto, I don't know if much events are happening there, but I'm sure this is for Nigerians, because most people you really want to be in states or cities that at least crypto events occur frequently, so that you can always have the opportunity to network. You can also pay for mentorships or join those skill acquisition classes, join premium communities that offer alpha and all that type of information that could be useful for you. And last but definitely not least, you should not forget what brought you into crypto in the first place, which is actually crypto itself. You need to reinvest into the ecosystem, invest into projects, provide liquidity for them, keep interacting, keep clicking, never stop clicking. And whatever it costs for you to click, you have to click. So know how to allocate your allocations into other projects, buy some meme coins, trade degen with sense. Don't go and blow your money just because they want to catch the next 1000x. Yeah, reinvest your money back into the ecosystem, and crypto is like a gift that keeps giving. So if you keep showing crypto love, it will show you back love in airdrops and incentives. So you want to keep clicking. You also want to probably diversify. Also, don't forget your community. You want to invest into your community as well. This one is a no-brainer. You need to grow your community, your own personal community. I mean, people that your message reach, like people that you can influence to join this project. You need to find a way to grow your community, and that's something you should definitely invest in. Meaning stuff like giveaways can happen, should happen if you are trying to grow your accounts. Networking through Twitter Spaces and all that, writing threads, creating content, any which way you want. Just find a way to invest and grow your community. So that's it for me. I wish you guys good luck during this bull cycle, and I hope everyone makes money. I hope every one of us makes money. If you have interest in meme coins and you just want to get started, I recommend you watch this meme coin video, because meme coins are going to be like the next NFTs. I see meme coins like the kind of euphoria NFTs had back in 2022. Back in 2021, meme coins have the same or even more euphoria right now. So there's lots of things that are going to happen on meme coins. I feel you guys should get positioned. So I recommend that you watch this video, and yeah, get yourself positioned. Make sure you're making money. If you like, subscribe. If you like, don't subscribe. So you're all good, because if you don't get this info, you ain't gonna make that money.